This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Bergman. Capri Model 2/2/2 car garage plus extra living area. Located on a premium water lot. Tiles throughout kitchen, dining area, bathroom and laundry room. Both bedrooms and living room have wood flooring. No carpet. Comes with central vacuum and closet organizers in all closets. Enjoy sitting in your covered screened patio overlooking the beautiful lake. Included in HOA maintenance dues that are paid by the landlord is lawn care, high-speed internet and premium cable, all sports and movie channels and use of all amenities. Live in this resort-style community with amenities such as a clubhouse which includes catering kitchen and hall, state-of-the-art exercise room, library and card and game rooms. There are 2 heated pools, 1 resort-style pool and a lap pool, tennis, basketball and bocce ball courts. For more information, review the details below.